Hello everyone. So let's talk about how we want to become a data analyst. This particular video, I would like to explain more about mastering data analytics. I hope you all know that data science, data analytics, artificial intelligence, and machine learning, deep learning, these are the buzzwords which are there in the market. And of course, there are a lot of organizations are looking for trained data analytics people, right? That's where if someone would like to become a data analyst and what kind of technologies and tools that people should learn so that it will be easier for them to compete the job market. That's where I would like to take you guys to the couple of slides to explain more about what is data analytics and what kind of problems that data analytics team is going to help organization to take informed decisions. That is where this session is very useful for the people who wanted to become a data analyst. So now, why data analytics? First, guys, it is very important when we are learning something. It is our duty to understand what is the point of learning this. Why should I invest my time, efforts, money and resources XYZ to learn this? This is the first question every aspirant, those who are watching this video, you guys have to think about. Okay. Now, similarly, you see that if someone suggested you to go for data analytics, why should I learn? For that, the answer is data analytics is the backbone of decision making in every industry. Decision making power is very important. I hope as a learners or as a students, hope we have taken a lot of decisions during our college days or school days or many other places. Even in fact, when you guys are keep practicing more on maybe practicals in a industry or maybe in the lab, if some code is not working, and we'll be keep writing different codes, right? However, there also we are taking our own decisions. But when it comes to the industries are generating huge data, which can also be called as big data. Guys, out of all the data, to take a decisions, it is a little bit tough without a data analyticians. That's the reason the bigger companies like Coca-Cola or Amazon, Flipkart or Myntra or Tata Group of Industries or Reliance Group of Industries, no matter whatever the industry that you take, those industries are generating a raw data, or some industries are generating supervised, or maybe to say structured data or unstructured data. Whatever the format of a data it is very important for a business owners to take the right decisions. That is where data analyticians are placing very important role in the companies. Now you see here, it helps organizations. I have already created 3 important points, but there are many. But for all of you guys to understand, to make them importance of data analytics, I have explained 3 points. Here in the screen, if you can see, it helps organizations understand customer behavior. Guys, it is very important. Nowadays, everything is online, right? Now you see 2 years or 3 years or maybe 5 years before, there is no last minute delivery apps like Blinkit was not there, Zepto was not there. Even in order to get a products also, Amazon and bigger players were there, but there are a lot of local players are also there in the market. Now think about this, all the e-commerce vendors or companies, they have to track a behavior of a customer to understand, to provide a quality products to increase their business. In such areas also, definitely this data analytics are going to play a very critical role. The second point, predict trends and optimize operations. Listen carefully, because think about it. I have a fabric company wherein I'm just designing a different kind of costumes for the young youth to target. Sometimes think about it, maybe my design might not reach to the right youth. In that case, the design, if I release a lot of fabrics with respect to that design, if it is not attracted by the user, automatically that is going to be a scrap and I have to put it into the out of sale. Am I making sense? Now guys, listen carefully. When we are selling any product in the market, either it may be a fabric or it might be a mobile or electronics or electricals, whatever it is, if a business owner would like to take a decisions, that is where they are going to use data analytics according to their application data. They can predict trends and optimize operations, and they can decide, oh, this particular design is popularly moving and people are buying this design. Let me put a lot of efforts and let me produce a lot more quantity so that the company can even get more profits. Likewise, business owners or production unit heads, if they would like to take a decisions, that is where it will help. And enhance profitability and efficiency. Ultimately, data analytics roles are going to enhance profitability to your companies, and it can also increase efficiency to their work. And also, you see the fact, this is the fact that recent survey said 97% of companies are investing in data analytics for better outcomes. Hope you understand 97% is not a small number, right? So that is where data analytics are very, very powerful, and companies are looking for a solid and practical and result oriented data analytician, right? Now here let's talk about our AchieversIT. AchieversIT is a premium institute offering job oriented courses not only in India but also across multiple locations through online platform, right? So our highlights, so across India and abroad, and we have trained more than 40k aspirants, successfully trained in India, right from maybe Karnataka, Bangalore, Hyderabad, and even other areas of India, and also all over the world. Now, see, we have our strong portfolio is we have expert trainers, and even in fact, if you can look after me, you please try to research about me. My name is Murli Pagdala. If you search in Google, you all will get to know to whom you are listening, and I don't want to speak much about me. Please try to research about me in Google. You will get to know who am I. And hands-on training with live project. That is very, very important, and we'll try to give you live projects based upon your performance in the capstone projects. And classroom, if you perform really great, students will get a chance to work on live projects. And strong industry connections for internships and placements. Yes, of course, we have a very huge connections because from past almost 1.5 decades we were there in the industry, so that our institute has a lot of connections, and we can even help students to get internships as well as placement based upon your skills and if you are matching as per the industry standards, right? This is just a brief about AchieversIT. If you want to know more about us, please try to research about AchieversIT in social media platforms wherever you like. What is data analytics? Guys, listen, the process of extracting insight from a data. We are going to extract insight from a huge data to solve problems and make data driven decisions. It is very, very, very important, data driven, because nowadays everything is data, right? Whatever I'm speaking, that is also data. If I don't have a data inside my memory, however, I fail to present myself. Similarly, even though in my brain there is a huge data, either it might be a structured or it might be unstructured, but whatever it is, if my presentation, that is where Tableau or Power BI comes into the picture for data visualization, if my presentation is damn bad, nobody is going to watch my video. Similarly, the data analyticians also, the visualization techniques also they have to apply. That's where if you all can see that the applications where data analyticians are going to place a very important role, I have given a few applications. Healthcare, it will help predicting patient outcomes. And whereas coming to the retail, it is helping retail companies to analyze the customer buying behavior, so that if they know the buying behavior of a customer, they can even give more data to the customers for increasing their sales. Keep it in mind. And finance, fraud detection and risk analysis. Finance में fraud detection, it is nowadays, hope you guys have already seen many places, some applications are looting our money, some people are giving fake calls, all this kind of fraud detections and risk analysis is also possible by using data, and that is where data analyticians are very important. And finally, IT also, if you see optimizing workflows and system performance. Guys, listen carefully. Earlier, to do small work, there is a lot of process, and working, it might take maybe half an hour or 1 hour, but in order to push that particular code into the servers, there is a lot of workflows and processes. But now the process is simplified, so that is where it will help system to increase the performance. These are the main points that I discussed. Not only these areas, but everywhere data analyticians are very, very powerful. Now you see, in case, what is the powerful, the highlights. If you talk about the key modules, yes, this is high level HLD, I can say, high level descriptions that I am disclosing here. Data pre-processing and cleaning. First, yes, if the data is coming from a different source, either it might be a, I mean to say structured data or unstructured data, whatever the format of data, first it is very important for data analytician to pre-processing and cleaning of data. If we are not cleaning, the junk, unwanted, unused data will be there. It will definitely damage the system, and it won't even help us to take informed and right decisions, right? That's where data cleaning and pre-processing is very important in the initial stage of data analytics. Next, SQL for data retrieval and management. As I already said, if the data is structured, then SQL queries are important to fetch the data from a multiple databases. In case if it is unstructured, yes, there are different kind of algorithms that we are going to apply to get the unstructured data into our system to pre-process our data cleaning. Next, Python and R language is for analytics, because if the data is coming from a source, it is important for us to analyze. That is where either Python or R language is very, very important. Next, advanced Excel for data transformation. Yes, advanced Excel like macros or advanced functions. These are all concepts are very important for data transformation, right? Next, data visualization using Tableau. As I already just few minutes before I explained, if my presentation is not good, however, people are going to face difficulty to understand. Similarly, once the data is cleaned up, the process is done and everything is done, if the presentation is damn bad, and ultimately business owners, they won't even understand what is this particular data, and it will be tough for them to take informed decisions. To give up flexibility for a business owners, that is where data visualization techniques, either we can use Tableau or Power BI, and this particular course is including that tools as well. And introduction to predictive analytics, and we will also help you guys to understand how this statistical and mathematical formulas are going to help in order to create a process and proper model to take the right decisions for a business owners. Now, this is the special features apart from course highlights, and you all will get real world projects and case studies and live interactive sessions, of course, and placement focused curriculum. Our curriculum is completely placement focused and personalized caring for best results to the learners. Personalized coaching will be there at the same time. So our system is strictly evaluating student in order to get the hands-on experience. Why? Because the evaluations are very, very important. In your college or school days, at least once in a week or maybe once in a month or maybe quarterly once, there will be exams and the people are keep evaluating. That is where we are having some sort of discipline to learn something in a systematic way. Guys, that is a college or that is a school wherein you are working for results and you are also working for some percentages. Now this is all your ball game. Now this is a life. Guys, every day, every minute, every 1 hour, please try to do evaluation of yourself. And if 1 hour, if you're not getting a good results, at least second hour, you have an option to improve yourself so that you can productively, you can use second hour. Don't ever try to evaluate yourself on an entire day, end of the day or end of the week or end of the month. This story, please try to band. Okay, everyday evaluation. That's where we have a very strict plan. We'll be evaluating on every hour so that it will be easier for student to understand where exactly is making progress and where exactly is not progressing, so that our expert trainers are going to help you to increase your progress in the areas where you are lagging, right? Next, gamification kind of a learning through our LMS. Boss, our LMS is awesome. And I'm sure you all will get, there is a surprise in our LMS. Please try to ask our team. They will try to explain what is the surprise. I don't want to disclose that surprise here. Why? Because you guys have to reach our team so that it is going to benefit for you in terms of your finance. In case if you guys are financially weak, our LMS is going to help you to earn something. That's where please try to talk to our team. They will explain how LMS is going to help you to earn. So there is a good scholarship programs are also there for the right and also backward students who are good in terms of knowledge, but they are very weak in terms of finance, so that our team can help. But there should be a social proof is important, right? And 8+8 support. So we don't want to say like 24/7 support, because we are humans. We work 8+8. That is 16 hours we'll work, and morning 6 o'clock to till 10 o'clock our support team will definitely work. And we don't want to give any kind of 24/7. And this is not a customer care where we are running, and we are running a professional and top-rated training institute wherein our resources are available morning 6 o'clock to till 10 o'clock. And you can even use our system any point of time. I hope you understand what is data analytics and what kind of tools and what kind of program highlights that data analytics student is going to gain from AchieversIT, and what all the industries that data analytics are going to serve. These are the overall insight that I have given in this particular video. If you see the popular tools that I have configured here, I mean to say displayed here, the Python or either R language, SQL for is data fetching, retrieval I can say, and advanced Excel for data transformations, and Power BI or Tableau. This is going to help us in terms of data visualization. All right, this is a high level tools that I disclosed, but even if you jump into the program, there are a lot of other tools that we are going to disclose. When we are talking about career opportunities, this is one of the biggest question for many aspirants. Now career opportunities, popular roles, if you can see, once you complete data analytics course from AchieversIT, you can even apply for data analyst role, or you can also apply for business analyst role, or you can also apply for data visualization expert entry level data scientist also. Yes, if someone wanted to become a data scientist, this is an entry level. Without an entry level, so directly someone, if they wanted to become data scientist, it is a bit challenging. That's where this is an entry level that we can say. Next, top hiring companies. It is just only few companies that we listed, but nowadays, as I already said in the previous slide, if you can remember, 97% of the companies are looking for data analyticians to take informed decisions because there is a data, right? So now the trend is data driven development. Now test driven development. These are different kind of trends. Here the data is generated from a different source. That's where data analyticians are very important to take decisions. Salary trend. So as you already know that everywhere the entry level data analytics earn 4 to 6 lakhs, but you have to have a solid knowledge, not like a theory knowledge or maybe YouTube knowledge, please. Okay. And with experienced professionals earning 12 lakhs per annum and above. So guys, it is all first focus on your learning. That's where when you focus on learning, I'll just give you simple explanation, and this is what I learned from my gurus. Okay, and if you focus on learning, LEARN, where you see that where L stands for learning, and if you guys are good at learning, and automatically your earnings start. This is completely depends upon your learning. That's why always you have to give an importance for learning. That's all in this session. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this particular video, kindly share and subscribe our channel for more updates. Have a great day.